See if I can get any heat. I'm getting something right in there. I don't sound like where it's at though.
Where?
It turned yellow right there. Is that just where the sun's been facing on the tree?
Yeah, it's all over this way.
It's moving. What are these dark spots? Really cold?
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting no heat signature. Should we cross that bridge?
What about me?
What about you? Oh. Yeah, you're showing a heat signature. This is so... Can you guys hear this thing? I had to actually put my phone on airplane mode because stupid Sprint kept saying no data and stopping my video. Pissed me off. Babe, don't fall on that bridge. Alright, you guys, listen. The crap is that? And it does it like... You could set your clock to that. You want me to come over? Anywhere I gotta step?
It should be fine.
Okay. Oh my god. Do you hear that? The crap is that? Get my flashlight. I wonder if that's a bird sleeping. No, because it's moving. It's moving away from us. Kirk just burped. Watch for snakes. The crap is that?
It's like right in there.
Okay. I'm gonna get somewhere where I don't see snakes. Put my flashlight up. Check the heat signature. It's up in that hill.
Yeah, it's over here right then.
That's where that rock ledge is. Never gonna get to see it. That was me thinking. Is it going up the hill? That's his flashlight. If you go, I'll wait right here. What? Is that a bird? I don't understand. God, that would be some good eating. It sounds like a hawk
Yeah, it does. Sort of.
sleeping, or maybe it's hurt. Your flashlight creates a heat signature. Can you move your flashlight a little bit? I want to check the area real quick. It's really warm right there, but is it just malfunctioning?
No, it's by the rocks up there.
Oh, okay. Are we looking for like a red blip?
Red or...
Huh. It's just not picking up anything. What is that sound? I am way too inquisitive.
I ain't scared.
No, it's not. And it does it. You could like set your clock to that. Are you going up in there?
Yeah.
Go ahead. I'll wait right here. And I'm gonna put the FLIR up since I'm evidently not getting any readings. It's just crazy. Okay, where are you? What if it's a baby pterodactyl?
It's getting shot.
It's getting shot. Please be careful. Did it just move? I heard scurrying. It's not called out again. Come on. Where'd you go? It moved up, didn't it? I don't have a gun on me. No, he's close to it. Okay, I'm gonna scoot over a little bit. See, he thinks possum. I think bird. He heard it the other night when he walked the dogs and it moved down the creek. He's trying to come in behind it, looks like. But here in Westmoreland, we have gotten on hunt cams this little devil dragon gargoyle looking thing. Swear to God. Like, I have a picture of it. If it's not on our investigation page, I'll put it up. Oh, he's right by it. Huh? Okay. He said he's getting closer, but he's pretty far up there, and to me it sounds like it's like right here. So imagine how loud it is to him, because down here it sounds like it's right on that little bluff right there. It's a rock ledge. He went around the rock ledge. Oh my God, that stupid frog scared the crap out of me. Okay. So, yeah, back to the gargoyle thing. It was eating apples that a guy left for a deer at a feeder. Caught on a hunt cam. Yeah, no joke. So he was so freaked out about it, didn't want his wife to know. He deleted the photos after he sent the picture to my dad. And it's my dad's neighbor. We investigated the property. Got one call, like nothing like that sound, but it was something we've never heard. Thought maybe it was a warning, but we went ahead and stayed till like 2 a.m. looking for this thing. And never found it. Tracks, trail, nothing. I'm gonna have to put this on YouTube. This is too long. He's gotta be getting close. I don't want to call out to him because I can't answer. I'm just checking my surroundings. The thing is, it's not scared. It knows we're here, I'm sure. So he was walking Tundra. I was walking Molly. And he's over by like the cave and the waterfall, and I was coming towards the building where we park our FJs. And I go running back, and I was like, I just heard like this wheezy, heavy breathing scream thing. You know, I can't hear it over all this rain and the waterfall. And he was like, yeah, I heard that the other night. And I'm like, A+ for not telling me, but what? So we bring the dogs back here, and realize we might could get close to it. He's on the neighbor's property now. He's went so far up. He acts like he don't see anything. So we take the dogs inside, get some equipment. Just can't tell if it's in a tree, if it's on the ground, what it is. There's no tracks in the wet grass. You can see all the dew. It's just us where we've came through. And shut up. It hasn't made a sound. I just realized that. You know what suck when you're investigating? Lightning bugs. Huh? I know it quit, so you must have got pretty close. You want us to turn off our lights and just be quiet a minute? That is really strange that it quit. I mean, it's calling out for something, you know, like, we've lived here a little over a year. Never heard that before. What is it? What is it calling out to? Why? Is it an animal? Is it hurt? Does it need help? Is it hungry? Like, you know? And then he gets so close and it just quits. I swear to God, I keep hearing something move over here. I'm gonna laugh if somebody's like, oh, that's the sound a baby raccoon makes. And I'm out here like all scared. I know, do you want us to turn off our lights and be still for a second? Hashtag never answers. I'm going to turn off my light. I'm going to scan the area with the FLIR. Oops. It's not on. Turn on the button. Stupid freaking bugs. Get out of my face. There is a lightning bug on my chest. Go. Oh, I freaking knew it. I see him. Is it really? Mother, father. He said it's an owl. Okay. Well, that's good news. That is good news. Huh? Oh. At least it's not an animal hurt. And we learned something. So is it like a barn owl or a screech? I love the fact that he thinks I can hear him. Like, totally freaking awesome. Huh. That is weird. Yeah. Okay. Is it in a nest? I would think it would scare food away, making that sound every 10 seconds. Unless they're stupid, like we are, and go looking for whatever the sound is. It must be. That's weird that it travels down the creek doing that. Is it a baby?
Not real baby. Pretty big.
And it didn't even fly off?
Nope, it's just sitting up there in the branch.
Wow. Did you get a photo?
I don't have my phone.
Oh, okay. Alright, you guys. That's on investigating. That is a freaky sound though when you're in the woods and you hear that. Like, I'm not gonna lie. So, at least we figured it out. I would not be able to go to bed until we found out what that sound was. I'm like envisioning a baby Bigfoot that is like stuck in a hole. I'm just like, alright, bye you guys.